Library Quick Guide to Editing Subtitles in YouTube. The editing screen. Automatic subtitles need to be edited as they have no punctuation and can have many grammar and spelling mistakes. The first thing to do is log into your Gmail account. Then click on the 9 small tiles, scroll down and click on the YouTube icon. This will bring you back to the Suggestions and Subscriptions page. Then you need to click on the letter icon on the top right hand side of your screen and click Your Channel. From here, click the YouTube Studio button. This will bring you to the editing suite. On the left hand side of the page, click on Subtitles. You'll see a list of your videos and click on the one you want to edit. This time, over on the right hand side of the screen, 3 small dots will appear next to the subtitles. Click on Edit in Classic Studio. Editing subtitles. The screen will change and you will see a greyed out list of subtitles on the left hand side. You can't edit these yet, so click on the Edit button on the top of the screen. The screen will change again and now you can see the cursor directly inside the text box that contains the subtitles. From here you can add your capital letters, correct any spelling mistakes, add punctuation and make any other changes that you need to. You can also change the pauses between the captions and how they appear on the screen by pulling the text bar forwards and backwards. Make sure when you finish making your changes that you click on the Save Change button on the top of the screen, and this will publish all of the corrected subtitles. For more help and resources, you can search the library catalogue, you can have a look at the new Study Skills website, you can check out the Moodle study guides, you can email the library team at libraryfros@gllm.ac.uk. You can also send us a message on Twitter @Clonfishlolib.